Guys, so today I'm popping on here and taking another one of the Snow Globes palette and taking it for a test run. This is what it looks like inside, and I'm going to create holiday inspired look, so let's dive in. Okay, switching over to voiceover. So starting off by prepping and priming my face with a Lancome Teint Idole foundation and concealer. Then moving on to priming my eyes using About Face Eyeshadow Primer. Okay, moving on to the eyeshadow palette, but first an obligatory sniff test, and applying the color Marshmallow as a foundational base shade all over the lids. Okay, initially I went in with Pantone and I applied that to the outer edges because I wanted to create this Plum Smoky eye look, but it wasn't deep enough for me. So then I went in with Licorice Twist and it was a much smokier shade. To the shimmers, my eye was immediately drawn towards Plum Pudding because it's a perfect Sugar Plum Fairy shimmer shade, or so I thought, but it really wasn't pigmented. Again, very sheer, not buildable. What I've been seeing with all the shimmers across Lettuce Snow Globes palette, super disappointing. So here I am just trying different shades. I even went into Gumdrop and just kept layering and layering and trying to get as much color as I could. Went in with Sleigh Bells, which looked like it could be the perfect icy frosty shadow, but again, nothing. It was really disappointing with just how all these shimmers were falling flat. Of course, I can't neglect my lower lash line, so I went in with Licorice Twist and just lined the bottom lash line so that I could create some congruency. I then went in with Sleigh Bells to highlight the inner corners as well as my brow bone. Okay, time to line the eyes using my Clinique Pretty Easy liquid lining pen, and again drawing an extended wing. As I mentioned before, a wing at an upward angle just doesn't look very good with my monolid eye shape. Again, totally optional, but I'm using my Urban Decay 24/7 liner pencil and Stash and just using it to trace over the lines and soften up the overall look. Time to curl my lashes using my Shiseido eyelash curler. Now I'm giving my lashes a little boost in volume using Lancome Hypnose Drama Waterproof. Okay, I'm trying out the built-in blush. It's called Pink Macaroon, and I'm not hating it. It's actually giving me this nice rosy flush. Okay, using my Fenty Beauty highlighter and adding some glow. And for my lips, using my favorite combo at the moment, the Urban Decay Vice Lipstick in 1993, and the layering on top of that, the Lancome Le Absolute Lip Gloss. Okay, so this is the finished look, and I changed into a party-ready top. Earrings and top are both from Loft. Okay, so just some final thoughts. I am pretty disappointed with this palette. For something so cute, the shimmers are so disappointing. Like, there's so much potential with these shimmers like Sleigh Bells and Plum Pudding, but they pretty much were so sheer and they weren't buildable at all. So they really fell flat, and I'm pretty disappointed with them. So all in all, but I will say the blush was pretty nice. They gave me this like little nice rosy flush, so that worked well. But other than that, I'm pretty disappointed with all the shimmers in here. And yeah, I was expecting more from Too Faced. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and have a great and happy holidays.